Number five. Number five is arbitrage. Now, arbitrage is basically when you're taking advantage of price differences on different marketplaces. Now, you've got to be a little bit careful because Amazon does have rules around this. Okay, so you've got to physically own the products. So how this works is basically you might be going to your big box stores, or there might be a coupon, or there might be a sale, and you might buy those products, and then you could send them into Amazon with your FNSQ label. Now here you're not creating a listing. You're actually, in most cases, you're going to find a listing that already exists, and you're going to become one of a number of sellers. So you are competing for the buy box with arbitrage. But some people do this, they find things on eBay and sell them on Amazon. They find them at their Costco and they sell them on Amazon. And there's a subcategory in here called replan. Again, there's so many people that are teaching this stuff. There's a lady that teaches this as well, where basically what she does is she buys mostly groceries and things, and she sells them for quite a bit more than they are in the shops. And when I asked her who buys, and she says, well, it's people that live in geographic locations where those stores don't exist, and they're Amazon. They've got Amazon Prime. They can't get it anywhere near their local store, so they'll pay, because it's free shipping on Amazon. Yeah. So they'll pay extra to buy it, and so these sort of staple items.
Yeah, I don't get these Korean spicy noodles in my local stores nearby, so I just ship it off Amazon, and they are a little bit expensive than they are that the price is on the box, but.
Yep, exactly. Yes. So that's arbitrage. So that's really, again, so this one can be, again, it doesn't take a lot of money. You need to have some money to start. It is a little bit time consuming because you're running around, people who do this, they tend to spend a lot of time shopping. So if you're somebody who loves to shop, this may be a great way for you to get started on Amazon, right? And you can start with a couple of $100s of inventory. You pack it up, you label it, you send it into Amazon. When it sells, you take that money and go and buy the next lot. So that's a great way to start. And I know a lot of private label sellers who actually started on arbitrage to build up their cash flow, to build up. And I know people that are making, again, 6-7 figures a year just on this model. So it's a really nice, easy way to do it. And there's plenty of trainings out there on how to make this happen.
I had a session with Peter Valley, who does online book arbitrage, and he has a course as well. So he had a really funny story of how he sources inventory. So he found a dumpster full of books, and he went inside the dumpster and he was giving his friends, all the books from the dumpster. He's like, I'm gonna sell this on Amazon, and then he gets locked in the dumpster by the warehouse people, and police were called. So do make sure that you watch the videos on the screen right now. It's a hilarious story, and he gives you insights on how you can, start and continue your business on Amazon in terms of arbitraging. So I think that's really fun. Hey, it's Ria Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerApp's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.